Okay guys, today we're gonna be opening up 2 mystery Pixar packs, so let's get into it right now. Okay, we're gonna get right into the first one here. Let's do it right here. Let's see who we get. We're gonna start. Oh, look at that! We got Woody from Toy Story, and look, he's even got his little hat right there, and the hat comes off. That's pretty cool. Now, let's do the next one. Okay, so these minis have all kinds of different rare ones. I think the rarest one is Nemo from Finding Nemo. I could be wrong though, but that's what I think. I did some research and Nemo was probably the hardest one you could find. But there's Sully, there's Woody, there's Buzz, the guy from Toy Story. I forget what movie he's from. I think it's Bolt, I don't know. And there's the lizard guy from Monsters, Inc. And then they also have the girl with the braces from Nemo. They have Bo Peep and the other guy from Toy Story. They got the Bugs Life people, and they got Sully, like I said. Oh, so here's the rare ones. Okay, so the ones with the stars are the rare ones. So the guy from Monsters, Inc., and I think that's Bolt. I don't know, but let's do the next one. Okay, number 2 here. Let's get into it. Okay, so we want the guy from Bolt, or the lizard from Monsters, Inc. Oh, are you kidding me? I got Woody again. Okay, so now I got 1 Woody, and I got 2 Woodies, and they're both the same Woodies. I think that's kind of cool. So guys, let me know if you think I should open more of these or if I should not. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will open up both of these Minecrafts and try to find the mystery golden creeper. Thank you so much to my friend Brent for inspiring me to make this video. He did these with Among Us people, but I couldn't find Among Us people. So if you want to see that video, hit the link down below in the comments or the description. I will keep it at the top for Brent. But yes guys, so if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It'll be right below me. Smash that thumbs up button so if you want to see me open up both of these. I'm going to start doing a little bit longer videos. I'm also be doing my shorts. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at brad.smith right here. And also add my Snapchat at brady77 right here. I love you all. I will see you next time. Don't forget, 1,000 likes. I'm opening up both of these so I can get the golden creeper. Peace.